Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here McGillis SCHWALBE GRAZE, and this is the 1/100 scale model from Bandai. So this is pronounced as Schwalbe because in German W is pronounced as V or V, like the victory. So it should be Schwalbe's Graze, something like that. So I like McGillis, to be honest. If I'm not mistaken, there are two char archetypes in Gundam IBO. First one is Farid and the other one is Gale, if I'm not mistaken. But I much like Farid McGillis because the other one looks gay. I hate his hair. His hair is purple. Looks so gay. Anyway, let's check this kit out and let's see what this 1/100 scale has to offer. I hope they make a master grade of this, although Vidar is already out there as of this recording. But I hope Bandai will make a Graze just like this in a master grade form. Fangen wir an, los geht's. Box art here looks very cool. I really like the presentation of the SCHWALBE GRAZE here. It's a blue version of the Graze, supposed to be the normal Graze is green, but this one is blue. So this is a custom or model kit or mobile suit choice for Farid McGillis. So this is a 1/100 scale, and you can see here Farid, his face there. And the side of the box, we can see the action pose. So these are blue colored kit with black parts or gray parts for the inner frame, and we got white for this shooting Harkins here, just like that. So this is Farid McGillis here, as you can see. I really like his uniform, the Galahorn uniform. It looks so majestic and just look like Char. Yep. And this one is the rear view and front view of SCHWALBE GRAZE. And what I can see here is this piece here. The Harkins can be attached also with the other 1/100 version, just like this Barbatos here. So we got here Barbatos with this greenish shoulder armor. Maybe this one from Graze. Okay, let's open the box and let's see what's inside. You can see the packages here. It's all gray for the inner frame and for some armaments. Then we got here stickers, gray stickers. Then this one are white slash Harkins. Then we got black parts here. Then here we got multicolored runners, white, yellow, blue, gray parts. And this one, gray and blue colored runners. And another blue, gray colored parts. Let's check this instruction manual here. So we got the same picture from the box art. And yes, these are the parts list. And we got some narration here, but it's written in Japanese, so I cannot read that. And judging the looks of this kit and how it will be assembled, it's not that hard. It's an easy kit to build. I built already the Graze custom, and that's very easy kit to build. It's not that hard to build. Okay, so there we got very easy thing to do here. Then I got this very very nice printout for the Barbatos Ironblood Orphan. Back to back with the Thunderbolt. Yes, this is really nice. These are all the badass characters that I knew. So this is I Fleming and it looks like Vash Stampede, badass Vash Stampede lookalike. And there we got these Galahorn and Decadent characters here. Okay. So by the way, I bought this kit from Babe's Convoy from Malaysia. And yes, this is still the red Bandai logo here. Just a quick show up to you. So from Shopee, this is Babe's Convoy. And yep, we got here great parts. These are Runner C for the inner frame. Then we got polycaps parts here. And this is generic IBO polycaps for the 1/100 line. We got the axe. Yep, same with the axe used from the Graze custom. Then we got this great parts here for the inner frame, manipulators, and inner frame parts here. Then some detached parts from the runners. Okay, we got white parts for the Slash Harkins. We got this runner F2 for, I think this one for the booster packs on the thigh, and this one multicolored runner for the inner frames, the guns, and the feet here. And we got this blue parts, dark blue parts here, runner B1 and runner H1 for this gray parts, small gray parts, chunky blue parts here, runner G1. Then we got this another blue, dark blue parts here, runner D2, chunky blue parts here, runner G2, and runner H2 for this small gray parts here. Then we got this wire for the Slash Harkins, and we got stickers for the sensor, and this one I think for the chest part. Then we'll build this shit up. Behold, this is the McGillis SCHWALBE GRAZE from Bandai, and this is the 1/100 scale model kit. And I will review this kit very quick because as you watched my review of the Graze custom previously, this kit is having the same articulation. Conceptually speaking, they're both Graze. So I have here already this Graze custom, by the way. So they're both Graze, and technically speaking, literally speaking, they are having both inner frame, same inner frames. Yes, only the armor color and armor sets differs on this kit. So the frame is the same, the articulation is the same, and the weapon set, the guns, they have the same guns, and the axe there, but the gimmicks, they will differ, but still they are the Graze in concept, literal, and technical speaking. They are both having the Graze fundamental. Okay, so let's remove this Graze custom here because it's not the one to be reviewed. This McGillis SCHWALBE Grazes here. So the blue color of this kit honestly is for me not that appealing. I wish the creator of the IBO did some more contrast color aside from blue here. He adds some contrasting color aside from the blue here, but it's still fine. I like the design. It looks menacing, and especially the head here, it looks villainous, and they call this badass. I like the head here because it can open like this, split open, and we can see the eyes there, the lens. It's very nice. It's a mono eye appearing sticker, and it will close like this. Yep. Yes. So it reminds me of the tall geese, because the tall geese is just like the Leo. The head is like the Leo with a mask, like the Moriones or the Gladiator mask. So this one here, it's like the normal Graze, of course, with this kind of feature. This mask here looks like Anubis or Anubis mask, something like that. Okay, so the hands or the head, by the way, can move from side to side like that, and can do some it cannot do some head tilt upward, but a bit downward like that. Okay. The shoulder can rotate, of course, just like the 360 degrees rotation. So it has the same rotation on the Graze custom. You should watch my video about the Graze. So technically they have the same articulation set. Let's discuss about the extra feature for this kit. It has a booster here, like that, so it can move sideways and up and down like that. And the back skirt here, I thought this moves, but this is not moving. It's fixed. They call this. It's a solid block flap here with these booster vents or verniers on the butt. And here on the thigh part, what differs here is it has verniers on the front thigh, and we got here some it's like a vernier as well, but big chunky blue plastic here with this dark blue clamping on front. So I don't know how this what they call this, how this function, because I didn't remember already what happened on the IBO, the earlier IBO episodes, where I think, to be honest, akala ko is ang ginagamit ni McGillis ay yung ano lang, yung green gird tsaka yung bail. Nalimutan ko na gumagamit din pala siya nitong SCHWALBE GRAZE. So hindi ko na malala kung ano yung feature talaga nitong nandito sa part na to. Anyway, I will watch it again, but don't worry. And the gun here, it's the same like that. Same with the Graze custom. The they call this the generic gun for the Graze. And by the way, the hand, I switched to Darling Nickel hands, yep, to make it more master grade-ish. So ano siya, expression, mayroon siyang articulated function like that. And the Graze here, by the way, has this special weapon, the claw, and this is like a shooting slash harkens like that. So it can do some pincer attack like that. And you have this wire, guided wire, to be attached here, and then to the point or the root of this slash harken here to make it like shooting post like that, pew, like that. So I'm not interested with that, by the way, so I will just make this slash harken attach on the forearm instead of this shooting post, which looks stupid. And the feet here is your generic your generic Graze feet na nakatakong, just like that. Okay, side by side with the Graze custom. They're having the same height, of course, because they have the same frame, they have the same components, the armor pieces, especially on the legs, the lower legs. They have almost the same components, but they will differ, of course, in the thigh armor, thigh gimmicks, and the shoulder. If you're asking if this parts here can be swapped to your Graze, McGillis SCHWALBE GRAZE, yes, we can. I will not do that because I'm lazy to detach and attach again, because what I find out is the connection pieces for the frame of this 1/100 scale IBO is a bit weak. So I will not do that because I'm afraid of breaking my kit. But if you like, you may swap it. Yes, because they have the same fundamentals, they have the same foundation. You can swap those armor pieces. As you can see, they have the same armor set on the chest. Literally, they're the same here. The shoulder pads, even the backpack, we can see the connection in the backpack. So the backpack here got the same set of peg as well, so you can swap this into this and this into this. So if I don't like this booster here, I might use the spare for the standard Graze to be attached here in McGillis SCHWALBE, and I will put this sword on the back to make it more badass, like that. Okay, so that's it. This is your review for the Graze units, the McGillis SCHWALBE GRAZE, and you can watch my Graze custom review as well for the detailed articulation. And thank you so much for watching this, and I hope I will get also my Gundam Vidar the Master Grade to make my IBO complete somehow. Thank you so much. This is Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye. God bless, take care. Alam sa inyo lahat. Masalama. Sayonara.